Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check Antutu score of Redmi 13C device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go to Google and here search for Antutu benchmark APK. So just open the first link and then click on download. Since I already downloaded the file, so I don't need to download it. But if you guys doesn't download the file, just click on download so that the file will be downloaded here. Now go to download option and then click on Antutu benchmark. Now click install as the app is now installing. So after that, now click open. Now tap to agree, allow the notifications and the interface come like this. So all you guys have to do just tap install and test and then click on download here. Now as you guys see, it is now start downloading. So guys, after downloading, all you guys have to do just click on setting and allow from the source. Now give the permission. After that, click OK and then click on install so that the Antutu 3D bench is now installing. Let's click got it. So guys, now Antutu benchmark score is now in processing. So as you guys see that this process takes some time, so just leave it. So guys, after all the processing, the Antutu score of my Redmi 13C device is 270070. So this is the Antutu score and it will all be done by automatically. So this is the Antutu score of my Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.